Hey, what's going on? My name is Spencer and welcome back for another product video. We've got a DVD VCR combo made by MAGNAVOX. The model number is ZV427MG9, and what makes this one particularly special is it's got an HDMI output, so it's going to be compatible with your smart TV, plus it's going to be able to record VHS to DVD. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. We've got everything out. Comes with the original remote control, the manual for it, and then a quick start guide, and then the HDMI cable, and then of course the main device. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. On the rear panel, we've got our audio video output composite. That's going to be the lowest quality, and it will output DVD and VHS, and so will all of these options. And then we've got a composite input that's going to be for recording onto VHS or onto DVD from another source. That'd be where you'd connect a cable box probably. And then right here you've got a component output that's going to be a little bit lower quality than HDMI. And then you've got S-video output, and then analog audio output. You've got two dedicated ones. And then there is digital audio output. And then HDMI output right there, that's the one that you're going to want to use. And then this was manufactured in September of 2009, and it was made in China. On the front panel of it, you've got your power button right there, your VHS controls, which are rewind, fast forward, stop, eject, play, and record, and then the tracking adjustment. And you've got direct dubbing right here. If you push that, it will pull up the menus so that you can start recording. And then you've got open and close. You can switch between VCR and DVD with that button. And then you've got your DVD controls, which are limited to stop, play, and record. And then you've got another line input right here for connecting another device and recording onto disc or VHS. Let's connect it to the TV now and see how it functions. All you have to do is plug in the HDMI cable to the rear panel of the VCR, and then you're going to connect the other end of it into the output on, or your input on the TV. And then after you plug it into there, you gotta just make sure that you set the TV to the correct input. So we've got everything plugged in. Let's go ahead and put the tape in that we want to transfer to DVD. You will also need a recordable disc, of course. We've got a DVD plus R, but plus, minus, R, or W, all of those will work on this machine. So let's go ahead and put that in. And you're most likely going to want to get DVD plus or minus R, not RWs, because RWs you're going to want to be recording multiple times on, but with the Rs you just record once. And then we'll put batteries in the remote. And then once the disc has loaded, you can push the dedubbing button on the remote, and it will begin recording from VHS to DVD. Once you're done recording what you want to record, you will want to push stop on the remote, and then it will save all of the information to the disc, and it'll just take a moment. Like it says, make sure you finalize when you're done recording, because if you do not finalize, it will not be compatible with other DVD players. And also the other thing to note is it will also stop if the disc gets full. And the disc has a 4.7 gigabyte capacity, which fits 2 hours in SP recording, which is how you're going to want to have it. So basically, you're going to be able to fit 2 hours on each disc. Once it's done saving it to the disc, you're going to want to go ahead and finalize. You could play it back at this point, but we're going to finalize it first. And you could also still continue recording if you wanted to. So push stop on the remote and then push setup, and then we're going to go down to disc edit, and then we're going to finalize. So that'll just take a minute. The disc has now completed finalizing, and you can play it back in any player if you want to. Let's go ahead and take a look at the final product. It is gonna look the exact same that it did when it was on the VHS tape. And keep in mind, you can of course use this as a standard DVD and VHS player if you want to. You can just connect it to your TV and use it after you're done recording. That's pretty much all there is for this spectacular DVD VCR combo made by MAGNAVOX. It is gonna complete your entertainment center for sure. If you're looking to order one of these, make sure you give us a call, or you can order online with the link below. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe.